With countries around the world putting their commitments to the Paris Agreement into action, there is talk that the most powerful among them will begin to push for any country they negotiate with on trade to comply with the Paris Agreement. A French minister last week specifically said in a speech to the French Parliament that France would demand such compliance, saying, "No Paris Agreement, no trade agreement," according to a video released on Twitter of the speech. That stance would put the U.S. at odds with those countries as President Donald Trump continues to hold firm on his position that the U.S. will not participate in the agreement that was signed prior to his taking office. Under President Macron, France is taking an aggressive position on the Paris Agreement, saying at the end of January that it will close all its coal generation in 2 years. The global investing community also is taking aim at coal as a visible symbol of the effort to address climate change. At the Investor Summit on Climate Risk last week in New York, Peter Damgaard Jensen, CEO of Danish pension fund PKA and chair of the Institutional Investors Group on Climate Change, said investors need to look at their portfolios and identify where their climate strategy can be implemented, according to a webcast by UN Web TV. PKA has invested in 5 offshore wind parks, and Jensen said that about 3 years ago, the company divested a lot of coal companies, many of which were based in the U.S. and that have fallen about 50% compared to the stock market. I'm Jennifer Deloney, Associate Editor of Renewable Energy World, and this has been your Climate Minute for February 4th. Follow Renewable Energy World on Facebook or Twitter for more news.